Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to use Ditto for copy file. Okay, you can see here's my Ditto and I'm opening a folder and just copy this file, then come to my opening my folder, then copy this file. Okay, then come to this my editor page, then I press or open Ditto, and you can see there is my file name and URL. Just hold press, then drag to here. So in this way you can easily drag and drop any files, and also create groups like sounds, background music, anything in the list. Okay, then the Ditto just act like a media library. You can also search here. You can search, use this method, send it to groups, or move to group, select a group, create a new group. So use this method for when you are using your project, like reusable content in your video, like starting intro or end screen or any special tones, anything you can say with the Ditto software. It is very useful and it is easy to use. Okay, and also you can select another option is just like here. You can see my green shot, that means my uh, screenshot recorder. Go to the preference, then go to output, destination, and you can see here one option, copy to clipboard. Enable this one, then just activate the screenshot. Take a screenshot. Now my screenshot is saved. Just press your shortcut key for key of your Ditto software, then drag and drop it. Now it is very useful while creating videos. Okay, guys, that's it. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.